Welcome to iGlobal Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar bulls gathered in greater numbers yesterday after the release of a better than expected retail sales, coming in at 0.4 in April versus a 0.3 forecast. What was surprising is that with many signals support a bearish outlook, the market is slightly caught short. Now this means that a lot of the sellers are pretty much now around this level of 76 and feeling a slight squeeze as we just recently broke over 76.20 and also this 60-day moving average at 76.35. The question now is whether the market can sustain at these levels. In the next 24 hours, if we slip back under 76 cents, then the answer is no. And I do expect to see the bears to resume the downside and look to the challenge of either 75.95 to 75.45 and even lower. However, the longer we maintain above 76, this could see further risk towards 76.70, with the high being 65 overnight and the target of 77.40. But I don't have that view as of yet. Well, the dollar index has slipped lower overnight and printed a low briefly of 93.61. Just above the level of 93.40. The euro still looking towards the challenge of the upside that comes in around 117.45 to 117.75, with dips likely to be shallow still and support intraday at 116.55. Towards 17.75, I'm calling for a potential sell area, and I do expect to see the whole move sharply turn around and the US dollar to resume itself to a bull trend. Talking of bull trends, well, the dollar-yen case is still holding to that and just struggling at this level now, 109.95. I do expect to see it eventually give way and look towards 110.55 and reassess from there. This could actually see an extension on towards 111.15 with dips on the day, to be brief, and holding around 109.15 to 30. The pound did look like it was going to go higher. When it got to a high of 133.97, it struggled and slipped. And from the slip, it now questions whether the market has seen a high for the time being. At present, I would say not. I do believe that we are still looking towards 134.50, with dips to be shallow towards 132.95. Reassess from 134.50 as we could see a sharp turnaround to the bear case. So I wouldn't be holding longs too long, come to say that, and we could see a fall from 134.5. So just be on your guard if you are trading from alongside to lift your risk management in terms of stop lossing and also to take profit towards that 134 area. Well, the gold is still persisting to test the downside at the moment, holding at 88. I'm not getting too negative around this 88 level. Reason for the fact is that we've not stayed down here too long, and it looks like to me is that this downtrend is now from resistance is holding the support, could see a rebound and look back up towards the trigger level, which is at 13.0607. On the day, the range should be somewhere around 90 to 97. The silver outlook still looks relatively bullish, even though we do have a long-legged doji after it did attempt to stage a challenge to the upside. Overall, I still expect another test on that 16.5 level or up towards 16.85. But the market is getting a little bit choppy at this range that you can see at the moment that holds at 16.15 to 16.85, but still dips to buy. And the market's still relatively bullish, so I'm not getting negative as of yet. Rounding off with oil, well, we've got the break of the bear flag and we've got the break of the uptrend. This in turn supports further downside risk towards 62.40.80 as the target. Resistance on the day comes in at 65.65. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.